The traditional routine of an entire workforce traveling to clock in at a single physical location is shifting. For organizations managing remote employees, field staff, or flexible hybrid schedules, relying on one localized checkpoint creates a significant operational mismatch. For years, companies solved attendance with biometric fingerprint hardware. You bolted a scanner to the lobby wall, and it worked well for an era of centralized in-person work. Today, AI-powered facial recognition operates as the cloud-based alternative, moving identity verification onto mobile devices and tablets. This leaves organizations facing a choice: continue maintaining legacy physical hardware at individual offices, or migrate workforce tracking to facial recognition software. To decide which is better for your specific team, you have to evaluate three variables: hardware and accuracy, privacy compliance, and scalability and cost. Selecting a system without weighing these vectors can lead to unanticipated maintenance expenses or complex data compliance hurdles. The technology you choose impacts the long-term feasibility of managing and growing a distributed workforce. Traditional biometric tracking requires every employee to physically touch a single device at a specific entry point to prove they are working. That physical interaction creates friction. A fingerprint scanner can fail due to dust on the sensor, moisture, or even a worn-down fingerprint. These issues cause false rejections, leading to door bottlenecks and constant IT requests to repair hardware. Liveness detection AI bypasses physical constraints using a mobile camera. The AI adapts, mapping a face even with a new beard, glasses, or mask. This touchless process eliminates dedicated scanning equipment. When employees use the cameras on their own devices, a single broken office scanner no longer prevents the entire team from clocking in. Facial recognition provides a more reliable workflow because it shifts the tracking mechanism off a central machine and onto capable personal devices. For HR departments and compliance officers, the way employee data is collected carries high stakes. Legacy biometric systems operate by storing raw fingerprint images in a central database. This creates a permanent vulnerability. Unlike a password, a compromised fingerprint cannot be reset, increasing legal exposure. Modern facial recognition software solves this by generating an encrypted facial template. It converts the scan into a randomized string of characters that cannot be reverse engineered back into an image. This template-based approach allows for consent-based enrollment and secures the data behind role-based access logs. Transitioning to encrypted templates is a risk mitigation strategy, shielding the organization from biometric data liabilities. Traditional tracking hardware is limited by its physical location. It only works for the office where the scanner is installed. It creates barriers for remote workers, for field staff, and multi-site teams. This software-based approach pairs mobile face scans with GPS and geofencing. By combining identity with location data, employees mark attendance from any pre-approved zone, automatically tracking their locations. To gain this flexibility, a shift in financial strategy is required. You move away from one-time capital expenditures for physical hardware. Instead, cloud-based tracking uses a software-as-a-service subscription model to provide continuous network updates and support. A subscription involves recurring costs, but allows organizations to expand into new markets and remote sites without the expense of physical installation everywhere. The better technology for your business depends on your physical structure and how you prefer to manage your budget. This decision tree maps out the paths, beginning with the primary factor, your workforce model. On the left is the single-site operator. This represents manufacturing plants, local retail, or any enterprise where every employee reports to the same building daily. If you already have reliable fingerprint hardware that is fully paid for, replacing it may not offer an immediate financial return. For these single-site businesses, sticking with traditional biometrics maximizes the value of your existing hardware investment. On the right branch are hybrid leaders and compliance officers. This applies to tech teams, agencies, and distributed workforces. These organizations require geographic mobility, cloud integration, and strict protocols for employee data privacy. For these teams, upgrading to facial recognition removes geographic friction and strengthens data security. When you factor in the costs of hardware repairs, IT time, and compliance risks over 5 years, the subscription model becomes a practical long-term investment. If you plan to manage a team that spans multiple locations, moving to cloud-based facial recognition is the step that allows your attendance tracking to keep pace with your growth.
Like, subscribe, and share.